So you're thinking about getting your roof replaced, and you're wondering, why are some contractors more expensive than others? You've likely noticed a wide range of prices, but what you might not realize is that the differences go much farther beyond the price tag. Let's start with materials. High-quality contractors use top-tier products designed to withstand the elements for decades. These materials may cost more upfront, but they offer longer-lasting protection and peace of mind. Cheaper contractors often cut costs by using lower-grade materials, which may lead to costly repairs down the road. Then there's the craftsmanship. Skilled, experienced crews take the time to do the job right. They're licensed, insured, and follow industry standards to ensure your roof is installed correctly and safely. It's more than just laying down shingles. It's about the details that protect your home for years to come. Lower-priced contractors might not invest in their crews the same way. Inexperienced labor, rushed jobs, and corner cutting might save time and money in the short term, but that can lead to issues and leaks, poor installation, and even structural damage. Good contractors also invest in the customer experience. From clear, detailed estimates to strong communication throughout the project, you know exactly what you're paying for. At Olympus Roofing, we believe in transparency. No hidden costs, no surprises. Cheaper contractors might give you a quote that looks attractive, but it often lacks the details that matter. What kind of warranty are they offering? What happens if something goes wrong? If the answers aren't clear, you may end up paying for it later. In the roofing industry, you really do get what you pay for. A more expensive contractor isn't charging more just for the sake of it. They're charging for quality materials, experienced crews, safety, and a job that's done right the first time. At the end of the day, your roof is one of the most important investments you can make in your home. Don't risk it with the cheapest option. Choose a contractor who puts quality first, because the difference will be clear year over year. At Olympus Roofing, quality, safety, and durability come first every single time.